Hi, everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on port forwarding in MikroTik routers. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a port forwarding rule to allow remote access to a specific device on your network. We'll be using WinBox, a graphical configuration tool for MikroTik routers. The scene will show the WinBox interface with the following navigation. We'll start on the main MikroTik console window. From the left sidebar, we'll navigate to IP. Then, we'll select Firewall, creating a new NAT rule. A new window will appear displaying the firewall configuration. Here's what we'll do. Click on the NAT tab. Click the plus icon to create a new NAT rule. In the chain field, select Destination NAT. This signifies we're creating a destination NAT rule. Specifying destination. Now, let's define the destination traffic that this rule will apply to. In the destination address field, enter the public IP address of your MikroTik router. Setting protocol and port. In the protocol field, select 6, TCP. This indicates we're forwarding transmission control protocol, TCP, traffic. In the destination port field, enter the port number you want to forward. For demonstration purposes, we'll use 4422. Action, destination NAT. Switch to the Action tab. In the Action field, select Destination NAT. This confirms we're performing Destination NAT. Defining translation address and port. Here, we'll specify the internal device and port where the forwarded traffic should be directed. In the To Address field, enter the local IP address of the device you want to access remotely. In this example, we'll use 192.168.1.53. In the To Port field, enter the service's port number on the internal device. For Remote Desktop Protocol, RDP, access, we commonly use 3389. Saving the rule. Once you've entered all the details, click the OK button to save the newly created NAT rule. When you try to access port 4422 on your MikroTik router's public IP address from the internet, the traffic will be forwarded to port 3389 on the device with the IP address 192.168.1.53 on your internal network. Replacing the example values with your specific IP addresses and port numbers is crucial for a functional setup. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.